Stay mysterious on WhatsApp. Learn how to hide your last seen status and control who knows when you are active with just a few taps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the WhatsApp icon on your home screen. Tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen and select the settings from the drop-down. Inside the settings, tap on the privacy. This is where all your privacy control lives. Likewise, select the last seen option at the first and tap on it to customize who can view your last seen status. Finally, decide who gets to know your last seen. You will have 4 options to choose from. Everyone. Anyone can see your last seen status. My contacts. Only people in your contact list can see your status. My contact except. Select a specific contact who will not be able to see your status. Perfect for some extra privacy. Nobody. No one will be able to see your last seen status. You can also manage your online status by selecting the option Same as Last Seen. So this is how to hide your last seen on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.